Hi guys, I'm Dr. Abhijit and with me I have Miss Manisha Gar.
Hi Dr. Beat, how are you?
I'm doing well, how are you?
I'm fine.
So ma'am, what are we doing today?
We are making tofu green paratha.
Tofu
Basically
green
it is a healthy tiffin recipe. So I've planned, generally people carry roti and sabji. But why not add sabji into the roti? Try something innovative and creative. That is tofu green paratha. This is a green color paratha which is full of nutrition.
Okay.
We feel we are eating less, but at the same time we are eating the complete meal.
And going green.
Yes.
So what all do we need? Yeah.
So in the ingredients we are using the high vegetarian protein sources for the tofu paratha. That is tofu, green peas, broccoli, spinach, till, soya flour. These are the main high protein sources which we are using for the tofu green paratha.
Okay.
I will start with the recipe for the dough.
Okay.
So first for the dough we will take wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour.
Wheat flour.
Yes, we are adding soya flour. Basically wheat and soya is cereal and legume combination. So it is a good example of mutual supplementation. So that will increase the quality of the protein also. Now we are adding spinach to the flour. Spinach is not eaten oftenly.
I know, yeah.
Not eaten oftenly. So we are adding spinach because of its pungent odor. People avoid eating it. But when you add to the paratha, it will get good flavor to the paratha and also a color to the paratha.
Yes. And probably that's how kids will also eat it.
Yes, that's
because you'll have to run behind them.
We are adding cumin seed. Again, it will give it's very high in calcium and will give a crunchy flavor to the paratha. Now we'll mix the flour. We'll add little bit of salt. And now we'll make the dough. The dough is ready to save the time.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes. So we have the dough is ready for the paratha. Now we'll take the procedure for the stuffing.
Okay, the stuffing is more important.
The stuffing is very important. We are used in the stuffing is tofu. Tofu is a very high protein sources. It contains all the amino acids. Tofu is not so palatable. That's why it's combined with green peas to give a good flavor also and to add color to it.
Yes, exactly.
So it's a combination we are using tofu and green peas.
Tofu and green peas, lock that. It's a good combination.
Tofu is again very low in fat also. So
yes.
It will help for weight loss people also to have this recipe along with the tiffin food. With this we are adding ginger garlic paste to enhance the flavor of the tofu. And now we are making the stuffing for the paratha.
Already looks yummy.
Yes. The color, that's why it's given a green color to the paratha. So we are using spinach in the flour and green peas is in the stuffing. Now the stuffing is ready.
And paratha probably saves time also, isn't it?
Yes, it's a combination of both the chapati and vegetable together. So it is for making also it will take very less time for the mothers to give in the tiffin. Now we'll roll the paratha. Just we'll take a piece of dough, make it roll properly. Now we'll roll the chapati as regular.
Okay, now like a regular chapati.
Regular chapati we'll roll it. You can give different shapes because kids prefer having different shapes in paratha. So you can
so you can give different shapes as well.
Shapes to the paratha.
Wow.
Just make a square shape paratha. Now we'll roll the paratha. By the time we'll just put off the gas so that the oil is ready for the. Take a little bit of flour to roll it. You can put in a triangle shape or a square shape also. Basically, we are using the vegetarian protein sources which are very easily digested protein.
Yes, and probably that's what it is simple. It is easy.
So now when the tawa is heated, we'll put the paratha on it. little bit of oil will be needed to roast the paratha.
Finally somebody is using oil. I was wondering when I going to use oil.
Just half teaspoon of oil is sufficient.
I understand. You see, after doing these many episodes, 2 seasons,
Yes.
even our pan is now adapted to not using oil.
Not using oil. You roast the paratha from both the sides.
Okay.
Kids get bored to have the same daily roti sabji, so it is a very good option for
Yes.
them.
And probably for even those who are working,
Yes.
they can always roll it and eat it
Eat it
anywhere.
anywhere.
That is one of the important parts,
You're
a
getting the
tiffin.
complete nutrition in the paratha also.
This, at our
Basically, in
clinic
this
also-
recipe, we are using all the 5 food groups we are using for the paratha, and we are using raita also. So it's a combination of all 5 food groups we are using.
So there's a raita coming up
Yes.
as well.
It's a broccoli raita with the green color of the broccoli will be helping in the paratha.
Okay.
The tel seed will give a very crunchy flavor to the paratha. The paratha is ready. Just make it a little bit light brown in color. Put the paratha for the serving. Now with the paratha, we'll make the broccoli raita.
Broccoli raita again interesting.
Yes, broccoli is again very, very high in antioxidants.
Yes.
So it's a complete mutual dish we are making for the tiffin.
So probably I'll get it over here.
Yes,
Or you don't need
we'll
it.
make the paratha now. We'll make the raita. We'll take a half cup of curds.
Curds. I'll give it to you if you want. I'll
Yes,
pass it
yes,
to
you can give me the broccoli. I've blanched the broccoli in boiled water.
That's how it looks.
Yes. A little bit of curry patta is added to give the flavor.
Yeah.
To it. So we added jeera and curry patta to the.
See, I love this. We're having healthy food, but at the same time, you've kept in mind the taste buds.
Yes, yes. Because Indian people like eating tasty foods. And food
Actually.
they will not eat it. So we'll add little bit of pepper powder and cumin seeds. Little bit of curd you can add to make it.
Oh, it's smelling yummy.
So the raita is ready with the paratha. So it's again combination green, all green, high antioxidants we are using in the paratha.
And
With
it's
high
looking
protein.
beautiful as well.
Now we'll serve the raita. Now we're ready. Green paratha with broccoli raita is ready for tiffin food.
Wow, look at that. I am all excited and I want to taste this.
Why not?
Any chance. So guys, this is how it looks and I'm going to taste it. Okay.
So you're tasting both the combination you have to taste.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, paratha with the raita. Tofu raita. So how is it?
Beautiful. Excellent. Trust me, probably I should say this is the first shoot we're doing today morning and this is a really good breakfast. Honestly.
It's a healthy breakfast option for the breakfast also.
Healthy. Plus, I mean, it doesn't look healthy. I mean, it doesn't feel healthy. Sorry, I mean, say, it doesn't feel healthy. I'd love to have this every day. Beautiful, wonderful. I have no words. Like last time, we've come up with a very indulgent recipe, which is very much desi and is healthy as well. And I'm sure a lot of people are going to use this and will enjoy it.
Yes, for the healthy tiffin food.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming on the
Thank you,
show.
Dr. Abhijit.
It's our pleasure to have you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.